Hi, welcome to another video on my Arduino Yun. In this episode I continue where I left last time, and well, or rather not, because last time I ended up with a screen that I couldn't connect anymore. And if you want to see a screenshot of that screen, I refer to my website and blog where I put screen captures. And as you can see, I am again logged in. I have my screen back, and like last time that this happened, all I apparently had to do was to press once again the wireless LAN reset button for some 10 seconds or so. The corresponding LED started to flash, and result is that I am again at this IP address. And also let me show, and using this IP address I could also again use remote access SSH. What has not changed, fortunately, is the password I set, which I'm not going to reveal, but the original password was Dog Hunter, which revealed that it is not an Arduino Yun from Arduino.cc but from Arduino.org, but that as an aside. So the question once again is, how do I really set the values? Because that is what the purpose of everything was last time. So I did have to change things in here, and the etc directory is common for Linux to set all kind of things in this behavior. So the question is, how do I do it the correct way? And that is still a good question, because if I look at let me grab for the correct let me put it this way, and then no, I do it wrong, and then star. So okay, there's no file containing this, so I should probably look into the hosts file, where it only says 127.0.0.1, which is very common for indeed localhost. No name, nothing, just that. I'll have to find out again where everything is, but then I run the risk again to lose connection. So the question is, how do I do that? Let me see. There is no host name. There is no networking directory. So that is unfortunate. I have to do this now from memory, and if that is not enough, I'll find things out again. Let me do just that. Just a short recap for myself. Alright, so I was almost at the good location. I had to be in /etc/config, and let's see for the network file, and this is exactly where I need to be. So I go and open it in VI. Now the whole problem is, of course, that this only contains WAN. It also contains LAN, and I need to change a few things. First of all, this will stay. This, however, will change into 10.0.0, and I had decided to use I think 139 on top of my head. Then also I need a gateway. I also need a DNS, and I'm not quite sure that this is the right way. Oops, that should be dots. So anyway, this should be it. Let's see, what else is there to do. Let's see what's in wireless. Nothing I should change, I think. And then a little look in FS tab. FS tab is the file where you mount all remote stuff or disks, etc., etc., and nothing to be done here. And this one should be changed somewhere, and I haven't found it yet, so let's see, because this is tricky. I don't, although I managed to reset the wireless LAN configuration by pushing the switch, I don't want to get into that each time. So let me check the DHCP. And yes, here you'll have the point where you define everything. And actually this is exactly where I put it, because my static IP is now defined at 139 and this is 140 to 145, so that is the same. So this raises for me the question, why is it not going correct? I have to find that. So on to more search. Alright, I can't find any other information than this, so let's do the same as last time. Hopefully it will be correct this time. So all I have to do is exit. Well, I didn't even log in here, so I'll have this as is. The only thing I will have to do, I forgot about that, and I still can, hopefully, yes, because I haven't reset it yet. Using the password, I'm in. No, I'm not. Yes, now I'm in. Actually, restarting the network should be enough. So let me try that. That is not going to work. That is, and then networking. And then we'll see what happens. I'm very curious what happens now, because it changes the complete address, so my connection should be disconnected. It's doing nothing anymore. It doesn't respond here. On Ctrl C and on Enter, it doesn't respond. So let me disconnect. And let me reconnect. This won't reconnect either. So this should it's sending a request to the wrong one. So it has reconnected. A network change was detected. Yes, that is correct. So I'll open a tab and hopefully if config.a, what happens? Nothing. I don't get an email address yet, which is logical because it hasn't connected yet. I'll try again. I should be getting a new IP address in the range of 140 to 145. And I am still having problems with reconnecting to the new settings on the network. So the question is, has it gone fine? Has it gone wrong? If it goes wrong, I'll have to probably press the wireless LAN reset switch on the Yun. Wouldn't be surprised, considering what is happening here. Namely, the search, it has connected already, as you can see, but this means that it hasn't connected yet, so it has not gotten a new IP address, and that is worrisome because that should have happened. And it connects again to a different address. Let me, yeah, it is connected again to this one. Go away. And apparently it cannot reconnect. Last time it took quite a while as well. Let's try again. Nope, nothing. And it should get an address in this range, 10.0.0. You already know that by now. And it's not happening. Site can't be reached. What can be reached? That should be this should be reached. That is not reachable. Just like last time, unfortunately. Nope, I don't want this. So I guess that this attempt has failed as well. What is left is again pressing that reset switch for a while. I hopefully pressed it long enough. Right. Now I have to wait. And I connect I try to connect with the Linux name again. It's connected, but do I get an IP address? That is a very good question. Not yet. No. I want this one. Last time it took a while as well, so I don't have, I have to be, let's say, patient. And it looks like I have connected. So let's see, what is the IP address? I've got this IP address. I don't like it. It's 235 in this range. So am I connecting? Yes. Am I connecting? I'll have to see. Setting up an SSH connection. No, not this one. Two 240.1. Yes. All right. Let's and this is not going right because that username doesn't exist yet. So I have to say root. Okay, then the login. Oh, this is strange. Let me try again. This is strange. No, it's not strange because I made a mistake here. So let me try again. And I'm in. So changing that didn't work at all, unfortunately. So I'm right back where I started, which I don't like. I really want to use this in my own network, and not just in a network on its own. But there's much more to explore, so I'll leave this for now. Let me check on other stuff, because another thing is that aside from this interface, there's Linux on it, and I want to use that to its full extent. For that matter, let's check here, and I can't see it to the home directory. So where are the users at? I am here. Here's nothing. And here I'm back again. So the question is this an ordinary Linux computer? You should say somehow yes. Although the question is it really? And I start to doubt it. It is an Arduino. So if I read on the whole site, it has 6 analog in ports or pins, whatever you want to say. On the other side, it has 8 pulse width modulation ports. No, not 8, 14. And port 0 is serial receive, port 1 is serial transmit. So yes, it is an Arduino with lots of possibilities. Question is, can I use it in the right way? I can say, okay, I start the Arduino IDE like you've seen me using it before, and then I check on the board Arduino Yun, and that means that I should be in. The only thing is that I used to use this one. I'm not quite sure that this will work though. So let's just run it for now. And it has errors. Ah, that's an interesting one. It can't open this device, which is a nice thing, because that means that I have to check. Let me change this one to the workspace where I was working in, which is here. open another tab, and then check. No, not all of them. I see. That's interesting, because here you see that it can't open device TTY ACM0, and so I think that is where I end it for now. Next time I want to explore the Yun in this way. It has a lot of leaves a lot of questions. Why can't I change the IP address static? And of course I mean this one. What goes wrong here? Why can't it open it? A lot to explore. Lots of questions. So for now, thank you for watching. If you like my videos, also with the other projects, please, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my YouTube, visit my Instagram, follow me on Twitter. By all means, visit my website. It's under this in the comments under this video. And if you would like to support it, then on my website there's a message about the support, and please, you could also allow advertisements in between segments. This is to be continued.